we see that there has been a lot of companies, a lot of technologies coming up to the market, and there is a need for connectivity. And here is where we with KNX, we can actually come into play here, because we go one step further from connectivity. We really move to full integration of devices, everything into one ecosystem. And on top of that, with the new KNX IoT technology, we also simplify the way to connect, and we give better possibilities for manufacturers to bring products to our ecosystems. We give also better possibilities to users to be able to have everything into one ecosystem, including services that can be offered by companies. A second pillar, which is very important nowadays, is also the cybersecurity, KNX Secure we call it. So cybersecurity is really an issue. Users, they have to guarantee and that they wish to be secure. At home, you want to feel confident, you want to feel relaxed. You want to have your comfort and never be thinking of, could it be anyone hacking on my home? And then imagine that I have at home my CCTV system. I have some cameras at home. I do not want anybody to hack into my system and then watch on his computer or mobile or whatever. And of course, on top of that, we have the data. We are responsible of our data, but we need to make sure that the devices that we buy, these devices are not sending data to servers anywhere in the world, so that this data is processed for the purpose of some companies that they process this in the way they like. So we want to prevent this. A third pillar, a very important pillar, is the aspect of being sustainable, so that we can, from a technical point of view, we can bring this, we can tackle this on using energy management applications. In the past, it was energy efficiency, so passive measures or passive ways to save energy. Then we moved to active ways to save energy, and that is energy management, basically. And as a consequence, we can create homes or buildings that they will be more sustainable. And it plays a big role, the integration not only of renewable source of energies, but also to have a way to control all this energy. So if we make projects that everything communicate together, we can create homes that they are optimal in the use of energy, that they are secure, and therefore, as a consequence, they will be sustainable homes. And we can apply very similar, it's in different ways to do it, but we can apply this in the industry of the residential for homes, and also in the industry of commercial buildings. So eventually it comes to all together.